Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my SugarMuses boxes for the month of June. This is the Deluxe Muse box. Theme is Psychic Illumination. So I'll look at that last. Looks like the goddess is Athena. Cool. Got a beautiful envelope here. A little plant seal. So cool. Let me just gently open that. Okay. Ooh. Judgment. Very neat. Check out what's inside. Got her business card. Oops. What we got here? Beautiful stone. Got a candle. Smells good. Summer solstice candle. Definitely got to burn that. Ooh. A little spell kit here. We've got some honey. Looks like some parchment. We got a chime candle, and we've got some herbs. Let's see if I can open it. Keep everything together, but still get a closer look. So we've got some honey sticks, a chime candle, like a piece. Oh no, it's a honey jar spell. I love honey spells. Sweetening spells are great. Cool, cool. We've got a candle. Yes, this is all correct. And then you put the honey in here and you do your little intention and you burn the candle on top to seal it. You gotta feed it that way. We got, smells yum. So very cool. Love that. That's very neat. Good type of magic. And it walks you through all of this. What is this? We got a little owl something. Maybe matches. I don't know. Got a beautiful sage. Yum, yum, yum. One of my favorite things to get in the box. I love that. We've got our oil. Okay, cool. It's Solstice Moon Ritual Oil. It's very mild. We've got a tea bag. Witchy Cold Care Herbal Tea. I love these. I use these when I get sick. It's got yarrow, peppermint, and elderflower, which is very good. Basic stuff that I like in my tea when I'm sick. We've got a soap. Aloe, chili tree, and ginger. It smells good. Okay. Psychic Witch. Metaphysical Guide to Meditation, Magic, and Manifestation. Very cool. I love that. Love getting books. And then we've got, I like to open a little jewelry last. Oh, cool. It's like a little flower. Very cool. And I love the little nest that it comes in. Okay, let's read the description box. The summer solstice, also called midsummer in Litha, is the longest day of light and is dedicated to fire festivals, increased power, energy, and strength. This year it falls on June 20th in the Northern Hemisphere. The traditions of Litha appear to be borrowed from many cultures. Most ancient cultures celebrated the summer solstice in some way. The Celts celebrated Litha with hilltop bonfires, dancing, and staying up all night to welcome the rising sun. In some traditions, Litho is when a battle between light and darkness takes place. In this battle, the Oak King and the Holly King battle for control. During each solstice, they battle for power and the balance shifts. The Oak King, who represents daylight, rules from the winter solstice to Litha. During this time, the days grow steadily longer. However, during Litha, the Holly King wins this battle and the days get steadily darker until Yule. For modern-day pagans, Litha is a day of inner power and brightness. It's got some correspondences there. So she felt drawn to talk about Athena. So she is holds a place of honor in this month's box. It's got, so let's see what the magical content. Organic tea tree ritual soap. Sage bundle. So that was the soap. This is the sage bundle. Solstice ritual oil. It's lemon, bergamot, jasmine, and ginger with the almond oil base and vitamin E oil. There is the summer solstice ritual candle with the owl ritual matchsticks. Cool. That's what I thought they were, matchsticks. Very nice. Nice. The tumbled argonite. Fantastic stone for grounding and is very useful during meditation. It's a stabilizing stone that can help balance emotion and aids in easing tension and anxiety. It's considered to be a powerful earth healing stone and is known to boost the immune system. Honey jar spell kit. June weddings would be celebrated by drinking a liquor made from honey, hence June full moon was called the honeymoon. And yes, it is the origin of the term honeymoon. Spell jars and container spells in general are very ancient and have evolved throughout the years. Jars have been found with spell ingredients from them throughout Europe and are popular in modern American folk magic today. So this is all part of this little kit that I talked about earlier. I wonder, did they tell you the herbs that are in this? No, it didn't tell you, but that's okay. So Witchy Cold Care organic tea in a muslin bag. I love this particular blend of herbs and it works very good for me. The Psychic Witch book. Love that. Dried flower resin pendant. Beautiful. Made with dried queens and lace flowers. Can be worn to bring about clarity, increase intuition and insight while keeping you grounded. You can place a locket in a sachet bag under your pillow to encourage psychic dreams. Summer Solstice art print by Christy, an intuitively drawn oracle card from the tarot, black and gold. So very cool. And as you can see, like on all of the papers, there's kind of like a little owl. So this was a very, very good box. She didn't have a box last month because of everything going on with COVID. But this month, this is very cool. I love all the items. I can use all the items and I probably will over time. Some of them I probably won't use until I get sick or need them. And also I have a backlog of soaps, but I always like those soaps. But definitely everything is very practical and useful, and I really like that very much. And so I'm very excited about this box. I'm going to leave information in the description below. This is the deluxe Muse box. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.